Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design logistic and transportation website using WordPress. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video. So let me refresh this particular page. This is a sample of the website we are going to design by the end of this video. So by the end of this video, we are going to have exactly this particular website, the way this particular website looks exactly. So this is the type of website you are going to have by the end of this video. So you can see that this is a very well polished professional logistic website. So you can see, so you can use this particular website for any transportation business you are into. So you can see it. So I'll show you how to redesign all these. Maybe you have your own branded images and branded text. I will show you how to add it, change these particular images, link this text. So I'll show you how to do all those things. So you can see it. So this is very professional looking. So you can see, very professional. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing you need is you need a WordPress dashboard. So you need your website and hosting, which you will get and install your WordPress. So if you don't have WordPress installed in your website, I will put a link in the description to the video that will show you how to get your domain and hosting and then install WordPress in your website so that you can be able to do exactly what I'm doing. So if you already have a website, a WordPress installed in your website, then you're going to see dashboard like this. So this is the dashboard you're going to see once you have WordPress installed in your website. So the first thing you're going to do here is we need two things. You need the theme and the plugins. So with theme, you have a good website structure. With plugins, you have good website functionalities. So by default, this is how our website looks like. So this is how our website will look by default, depending on the theme you selected during WordPress installation. Your own might be different, but during my own installation, this is what I have. So for us to get started, just come to appearance, select theme. So we need to get a theme that is compatible with what we are going to do. So the next thing we are going to do is click on add theme. So once we click on add theme, then we are going to use this particular theme called Hello Elementor. So you install this Hello Elementor. So you install it and activate it. If you didn't see it here, you can just search for it over here. Then once you search for it, you install and activate it. So it's installing. So once it's done installing, I'll activate it. So you install and activate this particular theme. So once you are done activating it, then the next thing we are going to do is you need to install the plugins necessary for this particular design. So for us to install the plugin necessary, just come over to this plugin, click on add plugin. So once you click on add plugin here, now you search for plugin called Elementor. So we are going to search for plugin called Elementor. So now you install this particular Elementor. So this is the first plugin. We are going to install another plugin. That one, the name of the plugin is a template kit import. So this is the second plugin. We only need these two plugins. These two plugins will help us install the rest plugin. So once you search for this template kit import, we see it over here. So you see it here. So I want it to finish loading. I want to show you the logo. So let's wait a little bit. So but before then, let's install it. So now, so this is the template kit import. So now the next thing we are going to do is come back to plugin, click on install plugin so we can activate this particular two plugins together. So you click on it, install plugin. So once you click on install plugin, you click on mark all, then you click on activate, then you click on apply. So once you activate it, then the next thing you are going to do is it's time for us to create pages. So come over here, click on all pages. The pages we are going to create are pages that we are going to design. So in a website, you have like this particular place now, this particular sample website. Let me scroll up. So you can see that in this particular sample website, this is the home page. So we also have something like blog, this is contact, these are the pages, pricing. So we are going to create all these pages, the ones you want, because this particular template is going to come together with everything here. So you create the ones you want, you need. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to design the home page. So once we are done designing the home page, you use the same process to design the other pages. So then by default, these are the pages we are going to have on this particular website. So these are the default pages. So now, so by default, these are the pages that you have. So you can trash this sample page. So let's trash this sample page. So now let's create our home page. So for you to create a home page, you come over here, click on add pages. Then we are going to create our home page. So click on add pages. Then we are going to create a home. So here now you write home. So you can title it anything, but the only thing here is this place, the row template. Just select Elementor full width, then we publish. So now the page is live. So you can see it here now. We have the home page, but it is not yet our home page. So because of that, to make it our home page, just come over to setting, you click on readings. And once you click on reading, then you see that our home page is latest post. So we change it to a static page. Then you click on home page, you select home, then click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, then let's come back to pages, all pages. Then you find out that this particular home page now is our front page. You can see it. So now, then for us to now start designing this particular home page, you come over to tools. You are going to see template kit. So click on this template kit, then it will load this page. So you can click here to upload your template, or you can click here to upload your template. So check the link in the description. I'll put a link to the template where you can get this template, so you can go and download it over there or purchase it. So I'll click here to install the template. So check the link in the description. I'll put a link to where you can download the template. So I'll upload it. So it won't take time to process. So let's wait for a minute. So you can see the template has been installed, and all pages, you can see every pages like I showed you before is live here. So if you want to get this particular template, check the link in the description. I'll try to also pin it in the comment, so you go and purchase it or download it there. So once you download it, once you are done purchasing and downloading it, you click here to import it. So once you import it, then click here. Now it is popping up to install two requirements. Then click on install, then install the two requirements. So that's the first thing you are going to do. Once you are done installing the requirement, then the second thing you are going to do is to install the global kit. So import this global kit. That's the second thing you must do. So once you are done importing this global kit, then you are ready to design. So make sure you get the template and now import it. So once you are done importing it, then it's time to design the home page. So for us to design the home page, the next thing you are going to do is you click on all pages. Once you click on all pages, you click on you see the home page, click on edit. So once you click on edit, then you click on edit with Elementor. So now, so that Elementor page builder will load. So watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you another plugin that we will use to design the header and footer of this particular website, because we don't have that particular plugin yet installed. So we'll install the plugin later, and we will now design the header and footer of this particular website. So once the page loads, Elementor page builder loads, then it's time for us to design. So you click on this particular page, click on this particular icon here. So once the Elementor page loads, then you click on this icon. Then once this icon, you click on it, the next thing you click on view installed kit. Then once you click on view install kit, then let's find the home page. So let's find the home page. Let's find the home page. So let's find the home page. Home page, home page. See it over here. So you click on insert. So it will be importing the home page. So you can see other pages. You can see pricing. You can see services. So you create your service page, then import. You create your pricing page, then you import. Then other pages. So you do even about us page, contact us page. So you're going to do it separately. So, but in this video, I'm also only going to show you how to design this particular home page. So as you can see now, the website homepage has been imported and installed successfully. So you can see everything, just like the sample site, is present on this particular page. So you can see everything. So you can see everything. So let me publish it so you can see it on our own website. So now let's refresh our homepage. So you can see the home page. So you can see it. So this is it. We don't have our website header yet. So you can see. So this is the design, the current look. So now let's go and do some editing. So like I said, if you want to change this particular background image, just click on this so click on this particular box. So once you click on this particular flex box, then you click on this particular style. Okay, so let me check whether it's a background overlay. So see it here, it's a background overlay. So if you want to change it, you click on choose image, click on upload file, then click on select file. So you can select file from your gallery, or if you have some files in your media, you can click on it. So let's take, for instance, I want to add this particular image instead. So you click on it, click on select. So you click on select, then the background image will change. You can see it. So it will change. So the same thing, click on this particular image, you change it over here. Take, for instance, I want to change it to this one. So take, for instance, I want to change it to this one. So let me say I want to change it to this one. Click on it, then select. You see that it has changed. Want to change this right up, click on it, change it over here. You can change this particular title. Why choose us? Why choose our business? So you can see it, you can select it, so it will change. So you can change this countdown. You see it 96%. Let me say 91%. Sorry, 91%. So can change, this is how you can change it. So the percentage, this is the percentage. The service, the customer satisfaction, just click on it, then you change it. So I already showed you how you can change images and text. So you use the same way to change all the images. So here now you want to change this icon, click on it. Now you can download, you can get your own icon. So you get your own icon downloaded, then you can upload it over here. So you change this particular icon to your own icon color and icon branding. Then you change this particular text. You see it here. So you can change it to, then you can change this particular one. So you change everything to your own branded images. So that's how you can edit this particular website to suit your own business needs. So if you want to change this background image, click over here, click on style, click background overlay. See it over here, it is in background overlay. So now you want to change this text color. Click on text, click on style. See the text color, you change it to any color you want. So that is how you can do it. So once you are done, you can link this particular social to their, so click on this particular social media, click on Facebook, then you can see Facebook link here. So this one doesn't have Facebook link, so I don't think you are going to need this particular, so you just delete this particular social icon. If you want to add social icon here, I'll show you social icon. So you can just get social icon. So let me just show you social. You can just get any of these social icon. If you need it, just put it here. So this particular social icon will work because this one will allow you to have link to their social media profile. So but this one does not allow you, so delete it. So now you can change everything. So change everything. Once we are done changing everything here now is blog session. So once we publish blog post, it will appear here. Once we are done, you click on publish. So once we are done publishing, let's refresh our home page. So we refresh our home page. You can see that everything we changed. You can see this, it appeared here. So just, you can see. So let me show you. I changed the header image and it appeared, and I changed this particular image too. So you want to link these particular buttons. So this particular button, get quote, you add link to your quote page, contact page, however you want them to get quote. Our services, take for instance, this is your service page. So you copy link to your service page and paste it here. So once they click on it, they will land on your service page to see what which services you are giving. So that's how you can get it. So once you are done, then you go back. So it's time for us to design, because if you check this particular home page now, we don't have our header and we don't have our footer. So let's now design it. That is why I said you should watch this video to the end, because I'll show you how to do that. So let's go back. So once we are back here, then the next thing we are going to do is to install another plugin. So let's go to add new plugin. This particular plugin is the plugin that I use to design header and footer. So you search for Element Kit. So Element Kit is the plugin you are going to use to design header and footer. So click on install. There are other websites, but I prefer this particular. There are other plugins, but I prefer this particular plugin because this particular plugin is easy to use. So once you are done, click on activate. So you click on activate. Then once you activate it, you can see it over here. Just click on header footer. Then you click on header footer. Then you click on add new template. You write here header or any name you want. So the only thing you need to do is that you must make sure that this particular type is header. Then you click here, you click on edit content. So we now edit the header, we now import the header from the Elementor. So now once you land on this page, you click here. So click on view installed kit. So you scroll down, let's find the header. So header, so you see the header, you insert the template. So now you can see we have imported this particular header. So you can see now this is the menu section. So in case you click here, once you come over here, click here to import your menu. Make sure you select your own menu once you reach this particular section. So if you don't know how to create menu, I'll show you how to create menu. So you can now click here to change this phone number here. So you can see this phone number. So now once you are done, then you click here to add link to this particular tracking order page. So you add the link here, then you add your logo. Click here to change your logo. So let's assume I want to choose another logo. So let's say I want to select this logo. So I click on select. So choose your logo, then you publish. So let's refresh our home page now. So once we refresh our home page, then you can see that we have our header here now. So the next thing is to create the footer. So now let's go back. We go back. So once you come here now, you click on add new template. Here now you select footer. So but the thing you are going to do is change this particular place now to footer. Then click here and click on edit content, so that you can import the footer through the you can import the footer using the Elementor. So once this particular footer loads, just do the same thing. You click here, then click on view installed kit, then you select footer. We search for footer, so we look for footer. So look for the footer. I'm trying to find it. So see it here, click on insert. So now it will start importing. The footer will start importing. So now the footer has been imported. So you can now do the same thing. Click here to edit, link here. You can change this particular text to get quote. So you can change it. Click here to change any of these texts. About us, write it here now. You link to about us page. So you can change everything here. Once you are done, you click on publish. So once you publish, let's refresh our website. So we refresh it. So once we refresh it, you scroll to the bottom, you are going to see that this particular footer is ready. So you can see that our website is very ready. So now, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video. So if you have any question, drop in the comment section and I will answer you. So let me know if you have gotten your template and you are done designing it. I will see you in my next video.